Hello and welcome to marketing91.com. In this video, we are going to cover the topic on ingredient branding. Let's start with the introduction. Consumers trust many established brands, and thus the point of differentiation here becomes essential. At such times, ingredient branding proves to be of help. Ingredient branding is similar to co-branding, where it creates brand value for materials and parts that are included in the making of other products. For the original products, whose brand value is not that powerful, ingredient brands can provide a point of differentiation and necessary flags of quality. For example, luxury cars typically have high-end audio systems from Bose and Harman Kardon. Moving on, the advantages of ingredient branding. Creating awareness for their product to encourage the consumers to not buy if it does not contain the ingredient is ensured in ingredient branding. Brand ingredients are often a signal of quality according to consumers. Buyers do not necessarily have to know precisely how the ingredient works, but it just adds value. Ingredient brands try to create awareness and preference for their product to prevent consumers from buying the host product which does not contain it. Example, Netflix. Netflix started developing its own original content to decrease its long-term cost. Series like Money Heist, Stranger Things, Dark, Narcos, etc. are a few examples. Moving on, requirements for a successful ingredient branding. First, consumers must believe ingredients make a huge difference to the performance and success rate of the end product. Second, there should be a clear indication with the help of a unique symbol or logo that signals the host product contains that ingredient. Typically, in a Range Rover, you get to see Bose speakers. So the logo of Bose speaker inside a Range Rover car is a signal of quality of ingredient branding. Third, the unique symbol or logo acts like a seal which is versatile and straightforward that communicates quality and confidence. Fourth, well-executed pull and push program helps consumers understand the advantages of the branded ingredient. And fifth, consumer advertising, promotion, collaboration with manufacturers, retail merchandising can be planned with the help of channel members. Moving on to self-branded ingredients, wherein companies create their own ingredients. Self-branded ingredients are only available with one brand. These companies advertise and even trademark the ingredient brand as it is their creation. Let's look at some examples. The first example of Audi's Quattro. Quattro is the ingredient brand used by the automobile brand Audi. It is used to show all-wheel drive technologies which are used on the specific model of Audi automobiles. The word Quattro means the digit 4 in Italian and is a registered trademark of the brand Audi, which is a branch of the German automotive company Volkswagen Group. The next example is Mercedes-AMG. AMG is developed and offered by Mercedes-Benz. It proves to have more power, better performance, and more features than a vehicle which is not AMG. Nearly every modern Mercedes-Benz vehicle has an AMG engine. Moving on to another example of Intel. Intel Inside campaign is the best example of an ingredient brand that was launched in 1991. Intel's end user did not purchase a chip but ended buying a personal computer. Therefore, Intel ran a campaign declaring it had been the core ingredient of personal computers which was responsible for the speed and performance of the PC. It made sure that it did not show exclusive arrangements with any single PC manufacturer. Still, it became an ingredient product for all IBMs, HPs and Compaqs. Due to this, the chip got more attention than the PCs. This campaign resulted in a 12-fold increase in revenue for the company. It made the microprocessor brand a key decision maker. Now let's look at the presence of ingredient branding across sectors, starting with the automobile segment. Luxury automakers have used high-end audio brands to intensify their vehicle's appeal. Starting with Mercedes-Maybach S650. Burmester's incredible 3D sound system uses 27 high-performance loudspeakers and 24 discrete amplifier channels inside the cabin. The total output of Maybach's sound system is 1590 watts, which makes it more potent than most high-quality home theater systems. Next, Volvo. The full-size SUV Volvo XC90 features an audio system that was explicitly developed by Bowers & Wilkins in partnership with audio technology company Direct Research. The system uses 90 speakers to deliver a total of 1400 watts of output. And finally, the Lexus. The Lexus LS 500 luxury sedan brings the Mark Levinson reference audio system by Harman to the equipment list. The audio system on the LS 500 was exclusively designed for the model. Now looking at the presence of ingredient branding in the smartphone segment. Nokia became the world's most sold cell phone brand by 2004. It did not have the best camera while Sony Ericsson did. So Nokia, in association with Zeiss, manufacturer of optical systems, developed a lens for better camera quality for its cell phone. The product N90 was the result of this association that was launched in April 2005 with a 2-megapixel camera by Zeiss. Further, the partnership produced a series of phones and had a steady hold over the consumer market, including the Nokia N95 with a 5-megapixel camera back then. The milestone of Nokia and Zeiss partnership was the launch of Nokia 808 PureView in 2012. The highlight was the name of the phone, which was solely based on the imaging quality of the phone camera. Zeiss also entered into collaborations and licensing agreements with other companies like the Hasselblad, Rollei, Yashica, Sony, Logitech, and Alpha. And finally, the presence of ingredient branding in the airline segment. Emirates Airlines, to be precise, refreshed its premium offering with new luxury products in the first and business class for more comfortable travel experience in 2018, which includes first, Byredo. First-class customers got the Byredo Travel Wellness range of skincare in their private suites. The Allergen Free and Chamomile collections were exclusively created for Emirates passengers for a relaxing and hydrating in-flight experience. Next, Bowen & Wilkins Active Noise Cancelling E1 headphones. These headphones were specially designed using a unique hybrid noise cancellation technology optimized for Emirates first-class cabins. Light in weight and made of the finest materials, the headphones include aluminium and sheepskin leather for a comfortable fit. And finally, Bulgari Amenity Kits. New series of amenity kits for first and business class feature Bulgari's fragrance. It also contains skincare essentials to keep the customers feeling fresh and pampered throughout the flight. So that's it, folks. This brings an end to the topic on ingredient branding. These are some of the sources and links referred to for the content in the video. If you've liked the video, do subscribe to our channel. If you want to view these videos in an organized manner, you can visit freecourses.net, where all our videos are arranged in the form of courses. Thank you and see you in the next video.